All right, now that we have been able to open the account, the live account and the demo account, it's important that we know how to download the trading platform itself. The trading platform that is the best and the one that is commonly used is called the MetaTrader 4 or the MT4. In short, is what I'll be using throughout these tutorials. So let's look at how to download and how to install it. It is a very simple process. On CM Trading, we just have to go to platforms and trading tools. So here you can see we have MetaTrader 4. Let's click on it. Alright, so let's scroll down and here we are. Bam, download MT4. All we need to do is to click and look at the extreme left below the screen here. If it starts to download, we will see it there. Alright, so here it is downloading. It doesn't take much time. Good, here we are. So all we need to do is to open it and then install it. Okay, so here we are. Let's accept and say yes so that we can install the MT4. Let's agree to the license agreement terms and let's click next. We don't need this. Let's close this. Alright, so installation is in progress. Once it's finished installing, we will have the MT4 full to work with. So I will take you through all the most important aspects on this platform. Trading is actually knowing how to go around the platform, understanding how it works and applying the techniques or the strategies to your advantage. So that is all that we'll be doing. From A to Z, we just want to understand how to use the platform. It is very important to understand the platform. You need a desire for the platform, that is to understand how the platform works. If you understand how the platform works, that is what will lead you to making money. Remember, this is an investment platform. For you to make a lot of money, you need to understand the system before you will be able to use it efficiently or professionally. Once you are able to do that, the sky cannot be your limit. So let's wait for the platform to download and then we will see how it looks. Alright, it doesn't take much time. Alright, so we can even see the icon here. Like I said earlier on, I am using CM Trading platform in this whole tutorial. So the installation is done. Now we can click on finish. Once you click on finish, the platform will open automatically and all the features of it will show. Now basically this is the icon of the CM trading MT4. Alright, so we are just waiting for the platform to open. It is a very huge platform, that is why it is taking its time to open. Good. So here we are. This is how the platform looks like. So first of all, let's take this out. Let's just close this. Alright, and you'll find out that immediately you close that, it popped up this client terminal where we log in, but I want to close it for now. If you look at it, you'll find out that the platform looks a bit clumsy. So what we have to do is to dress it. So let's close this. Let's close this and let's remain with only one. Let's close all these charts and let's expand only one. Alright, so we have a good presentation on the charts now. Okay, let's now try to log in with the account that we created earlier on. Remember, you need to write that account number down, the account that we created. Let's go and take it. Okay, so let's take this demo account. Okay, so I will just copy it from here and go back to the platform. Alright, so this is how the platform looks like. The most important thing on this platform is how to log in. Okay, which I'm going to show you now. To log in, you go to File, then you go to Login to Trade Account. You just click on it and then it pops up this page. So here you will key in your account number, be it the live account or be it the demo account, and then enter your password. When you enter your password, you have to select the server. If it is a demo account, you select demo. If it is a live account, you select live account. All you need to do next is to click login. When you click login, look at the right side, the right bottom, the extreme right bottom of the account. If the account details are correct, it will open up. If not, it will come in this form like this, invalid account. So what it means is that I did not enter the correct password. So let me take it again. And then let me log in. Alright, so you will find out that now that I have entered the correct password, it has opened up. So this is where you'll know. Yeah, please take a note. This is where you will be able to see that your account is logged onto the system, and this is the data that what you are actually using. This system is well equipped. All right, then the next thing you need to do is to make sure that here, please look at the cursor here, trade. Your account is always on trade, because that is where you will see your balance, your equity, free margin, and all that. And this is where you see all your trades. So basically, this is how you download and install the platform. It is a very simple process. It is a very simple process. But when you are downloading and you have any problem, all you need to do is to go to the broker's website and ask them to assist you. Brokers have live chats, and also they are quick to respond through the emails, or you can actually call them and they can call you back and resolve it. But it is this simple to download and install the MetaTrader 4, the MT4. So basically this is how the MT4 looks like. This is how the MT4 looks like. In our next lesson, we will look at all these parts. We'll look at the most important parts of the MT4 and how they are used.